Let's learn how to solve one-step and two-step equations with a fun song to help you remember.
1 step's all you need. I've got an x and it's hiding from me. X plus 5 is equal to 12. What could it be? Just do the opposite. That's the trick. Subtract the 5. I solved it quick. X equal to 7. I got it right. Algebra shining like a light. Solve it out, work it out. Solve it out, work it out. Flip it over, no need to shout. Do the same on both sides, that's the key. Unlock the mystery, algebra's easy.
Round 2.
Let's try a two-step, don't be scared. 2 times x plus 3 equal to 11. Be prepared. Take away 3, now what's the deal? 2 times x is equal to 8, this is real. Divide by 2 and you will see x is equal to 4, say it with me. Check it back, plug it in and check it through. Did it match? Then yes, it's true. Math is magic, that's no lie. Step by step, just give it a try. Solve it out, work it out. Solve it out, work it out. Take it slow, no need to doubt. 1 step, 2 steps, just like a dance. Give those equations a fighting chance. Learn.
Algebra is easier than you think.